Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook spring roll. When I woke up early in the morning, my family demanded to cook spring roll, so I thought why not to share with you guys the recipe. Let's check it out. To make the dough, I took corn flour, white corn flour, and all-purpose flour. I will also need salt and black pepper and oil. To make the dough, I took 2 cups of white corn flour and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I will spray a pinch of salt. You can keep according to the taste, and also the black pepper. I like black pepper. You can go with your taste. If you like, add. If you don't like, don't add. I also added mustard oil, that is 1 spoon of mustard oil. So for the better result, this is my way of doing. I mix both the flour, which are corn flour and all-purpose flour, and the mustard oil, salt and cumin powder. What I will do, I will mix properly like this, and I will make sure there are no balls and nothing else, and this is ready to become a dough now. I will add warm water, and I will not make it very tight. It will be smooth. So my dough looks ready now. I check how it is. I just put my finger and I realize it is good. Not very tough, not very loose. Now my dough needs to take rest for at least 20 minutes. So now let's move to another part of this recipe. That is, we will prepare stuffing. To prepare stuffing, we will need olive oil, and we will also need vinegar, chili vinegar, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, hot sauce. The vegetables I am going to use is 1 red onion, 1 white onion, garlic and chili, ginger, corn, 1 cup of peas, 1 whole capsicum, and 1 tomato, cabbage. I added 1 spoon of oil. Then I'm going to add all the ingredients one by one. I used shallow cooking, so red onion goes here, white onion. Just remember, I am cooking for 4 people, for my family. Based off the member, you can add and reduce the ingredients. I am going to add them all together. It reduces my time and save my energy. So now I'm going to add tomatoes, bell pepper, cabbage. I'm adding salt as per the taste. I eat less salt, so I put less salt. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, enhance the taste and aroma. My kids love it. And I'm also going to add black pepper. So we will mix it properly. Just remember, we will keep shallow gas. You can keep it medium. Just stir it well so that it mix properly. All ingredients go and mix properly. We will add vinegar here. So now I will add chili vinegar. Even though apple cider vinegar and chili vinegar both are same, I mean both are vinegar, but they have taste different. I will add a full spoon of soya sauce. It will give my color to my vegetable. Then I will add hot sauce to add some spice level to my vegetable. My kids doesn't like to eat very much spicy, so I will add a little bit. I will use tomato ketchup later, not right now. And we will keep on mixing all the ingredients thoroughly. We will keep it on shallow to medium gas for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir well. Now my vegetables have some sauces. No need to add water. I will close the lid and wait for 3 minutes. Let's check it out, the vegetable. Looks everything is steam cooked now. All vegetable mixed together and well cooked. Yes, I did not add any water. I will let it I will leave it uncovered and let it cold for some time. I would say 5 minutes. The third part of recipe is to check the dough. I am checking how it feels. It feels good to me. What I will do, I will make sure and mix it well one more time. Aroma is good. Now I will make a small ball of my dough. Let's do one thing. This is more convenient for me. So this give me exact idea. I will cut it in 3 equal parts. So I made 3 balls here. I will make my rolling board dry with the help of whole wheat flour. This is my rolling pin. I will take my ball here, roll it like a chapati. So I have rolled out these balls to make a perfect round shape. Now I'm going to add oil right here on my roll. You may say it wrap. I will spray some dust here and I have rolled out three wraps, and I'm gonna to keep it on top of each other, and we'll add another time oil here. I will apply it firmly. Now again I'm gonna to follow the same process. Spray some dust of flour, of course. And this is my third wrap. Let's put all three together, roll it out to a perfect round shape. My aim to make it as large as my rolling board is. Let me stop here. I will start my flame and I will start cooking on the slow mode. I will add oil to my pan. This time it is cold. And
oh no!
Put my wrap.
It shut it down.
Alright, let's move to next step. We will start our heat. I keep on the slow mode and I added oil on my pan. I will keep my wraps on the cold pan. I will let it warm and wait for 1 minute. Now we can see it looks little cooked, so we will turn to other side and we will cook a while from there. We will not overcook it. We also have to prepare glue to make a wrap. I will take 1 full spoon of wheat flour. I will add water. It should look slimy, so I am adding it. So this glue is ready. There is no ball and it looks like slimy. Let's check it out. We have to peel them slowly and carefully. And separate them. Same we will do the second wrap. And same we will do. This is the last one, so we don't have to do anything. Now we will check our vegetable. It looks cold. Now we will take glue and with the help of glue I will do this step on my board. I will add this on the edges very carefully, and I will take 1 full spoon of vegetable, add to my roll but on the top. But I will also save my edges because I have to seal it properly. My children like cheese, so I will also keep some cheese here. If you don't like, don't add. So some cheese goes here. Then I will fold it like this. Again, I am going to add some glue which we recently prepared. I will make another move. Now I'm going to add next layer of this. This seems like close. I will make sure all vegetable is inside. I will again make sure I have sufficient glue so that it can stick and close. If it is not properly closed, it may open in the pan when I will to fry or this. I will save it here. Same I will do for my rest 2 wraps. Alright, let's add some oil to the pan. Let it make little bit warm but not hot. My oil is already warm. I will keep my spring roll in the oil. Since it's not too much hot oil, my spring rolls will need some time to settle down. Our wraps are getting cooked. We can see the bubbles. Now it's right time to turn them. But before turning, I have to make sure they should look golden but not burned. Still in the pan. Oil is getting warmer. You can see them here. So I just turn them to other side to cook them properly. Leave them in oil until they get cooked properly. You can see they are getting golden brown. We need to check they should be the same on both of the directions. So I have placed here some paper towels and I'm going to take them out one by one. This paper towel will soak all the extra oil. Shape you can put whatever you want. These are more convenient to eat for my children, so I prefer this one much. So you can see my spring rolls are ready. Just to make easy eating, I will cut diagonally. So my daughter, you can see the cheesy thing inside. That's how they look. Let's serve to my daughter Lavanya. She is waiting to eat that, and she is going to tell me how these looks. Lavanya is ready to eat.
Hi.
How do you like them?
Fine, Tato. These are so good. Thank you so much. I love you. These are so good.
Are these cheesy?
They're so cheesy. I absolutely love them.
Thank you, Lavanya. Alright guys, you have seen Lavanya like them very much. They are crispy, tasty, cheesy. If you guys like my recipe, then you should cook and eat with family. Let's do recap what I used. I used corn flour, I used wheat flour, added mustard oil 1 spoon, salt, black pepper, mix them, knead dough, make balls and roll out like chapatis. Make it like big enough, and then I added vegetables, cabbage, peas, capsicum, onion, all ingredient together, added olive oil, cook them, stir them, and then finally we made the spring roll. Just remember, we are using slow heated, and then eat with chutney or tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like that.